What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this is the clothing haul. So this is my birthday month, so I did a lot of purchases, some things I got for gifts. So this is the third haul that I'm filming. So yeah, so this is the clothing haul. I have done the Nika and purple makeup haul. Now this is the clothing haul. So if you want to know what are those beautiful pieces I got for my birthday, keep on watching. Before getting into the video, if you are new to this channel, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out at this channel. And I love drugstore makeup, affordable skincare, fashion, hair care. So if anything of that sort interests you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and family. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I have this sports kind of sweatshirt. I don't know how this is looking on camera, but it is a very bright red, so I thought it will look good on camera. So now let's just get into the video. And the pieces I got are from Myntra and Amazon, so that's that. And first is this beautiful Shrug, and this one I think I got for around 400 something, and it is like this. So I hope you can see. So it is stunning. I will of course show you everything. Like, I will also insert a clip wearing all this. Maybe I will shoot that tomorrow. So this is a very beautiful long Shrug, and it is like the dupatta fabric. I am very bad at describing. So it's like this is sheer. So I hope I'm making any sense. Yeah. I am what is the fabric? I don't know, but it's giving me that vibe, like the transy dupatta kind of vibe. So yeah, of course, I think this will look cute with a tank top, black tank top, even a nude top. Yeah, so I will see how I will carry. I will definitely carry with a very tight top, that's for sure. And I think it will look good with black. Even it had red flowers, so I think red, anything, even nude beige sort of top, anything, any tight top would look cute with this because it's loose. I will show you with, I don't know which top, I will check. So yeah, this is the Shrug. So this is the beautiful Shrug, and it is stunning. And even with this black, even with this white, it is looking very beautiful. Yeah, this is the length is quite nice when it comes to length. Okay, next is this beautiful white t-shirt. Oh no, it's not a t-shirt, so it's a shirt, and it is, oh my god, it is stunning. This is also from Amazon, and again the fabric is not that thick. I hope you can see. I don't know if you can see, but the fabric is again, yeah, this is the top. I will of course insert the clip wearing it, and the model was wearing it with a mini skirt, and it was looking stunning, check skirt. So again, this kind of top will look good with any of that skirt. If you want, I can carry it with my jeans. I have some trouser, or I think this will look stunning, and it was looking so stunning, and I was looking like it's a very smart top. I hope I'm making sense, and it is very pretty, and I love it. It was 300 something, so it is very good. I like it. So that's that. And the fabric, again, I'm bad at describing fabric, but the fabric is thin. I'm not telling you that it is thick or something. Okay, from my experience, this everything was showing up, so I am wearing something under it. So yeah, you have to wear something underneath because it's white and the fabric is thin. Anyways, that is the issue with white. Okay, next is this, and it is stunning. I wanted something unique. Okay, I wanted a very unique top. So this is from Myntra, and I hope you can see. So it's like this, and there is a hook, and where is that? Yeah, you have to attach the hook like this. So this is the top. First of all, the color is stunning, and look at that, it is giving me some retro vibe. And yeah, so it has a very different look, I would say. So yeah, and this is the ribbon, and it is quite different. It has this elastic, and it's a very different kind of top. So yeah, that's that. And again, it was 400 something. And usually Myntra has I don't know what is the threshold for free shipping. That day I got this without any shipping, and I was like, let's just buy it, and what will happen, I can return it. So I bought it, and it is so unique. I don't have anything like this. This is very unique, so I love it. And again, you can wear a spaghetti with it for safety because of this pattern, you know, so that's always good. So this is the next one, and it is very unique, I would say. I have never seen something like that. I have never wore anything like this, so it's very unique, at least to me. Okay, next are these beautiful dresses. Wow, I don't know which one I will wear on my birthday. So first is this kurta, and this is from Amazon. And yeah, it is okay. I have not told, and I have not talked about the brand. So this one, the brand is Roadster. So yeah, I have so many sweatshirts from Roadster, and this time I bought this. So it will be interesting. Like, I don't know how it will, you know. So the quality of Roadster is decent, I would say. It's good for the price. And yeah, then this one, this white top is from Style Can, and I will definitely tell you. And this is the XL one, and I think I have bought XL in everything. Let me check. And yeah, same, this is also XL. And Shrug was, of course, free size. It was free size. And then about these two dresses. So this dress is by Ayana. So that's the name, Ayana, AAYNA, and go grab it. It was 780 or something, and the fabric, the print price is a lot, 2000 something. Don't know about that, but I have paid 780 rupees, and it is so cute. Look at the shade. It's a proper mauve, and if you guys know me, I am a sucker for mauve shade. And so yeah, this is the this is a proper kurta, but you can wear it as a dress, and that I think I would do that only. And the model was having this with a plazo, which was short. It was not a full size long plazo, and this is not the longest dress. It's like up till my knee, and I'm 5'8". So if you are 5'8", for the reference, this will come till your knees. But if you are 5'6", 5'5", I think this will look really pretty long dress. On me, it was looking like a frock, to be honest. So yeah, that's that. It's a very pretty, stunning color, and if you love mauve, you will love it. It has so many shades, but I, of course, as a mauve lover, I have to buy it. So it is so pretty, and the fabric is very thick cotton. That's why I'm telling you, grab this. The other which I showed you, Shrug, was basically transy. You know, it's transparent kind, like dupatta kind of fabric. It looks stunning, but I'm telling you, it is a very sheer. So as a Shrug, it is okay. Then the white top, it again is not the thick fabric, it's a thin fabric, and because it's white, again it's transy. The Myntra, this one, the fabric is good. It's very thick. Again, if you are into the pattern, it's a very different kind of pattern. It's not your normal top. So that's why I'm telling you, if you are into the pattern, you will like it. I wanted something unique, that's why I bought it. And this, I'm not saying it's something unique, but the color and the fabric quality is like the kurta nowadays, which are trending with plazos and all. So it's a kurta like. And for me, since it is not that long, it is looking like a frock. With plazo, it was looking weird. It was So if you are short, you can I mean, if you're not 5'8", I mean 5'6", 5'5", I think you can wear this with palazzo. For me, I think I will wear it like this only because it's looking like a frock on me. So that's that. So yeah, this is the next. This is a very pretty mauve color, but it is like a frock on me. It's short, it's not looking like a dress. So yeah, that's the length. It is short. The model was not looking like on her, it was looking like a dress. On me, it's looking like a frock. And the model on the website was 5'8". I am 5'8", but it's not long, so it's not giving me a dress feel. It's like a frock on me, and I think this is a cute summer frock, but as a dress, it is failing. I am not liking it as a dress. Even with palazzo, I will not like. I will like something long for palazzo also. And yeah, it's a nice frock, I would say. Look at this. Yeah, this is the next dress. It is like a frock. The model was, I don't know if she was not 5'8" or something. On her, it was looking long. For me, it's still my length, like knee length. And so yeah, and this has this tiny ribbon. And the last is this. Oh my god, this dress is so pretty. It is very pretty. I am in love with this dress. Okay, so let me just show you quickly. So first of all, this is by the brand. Which brand? No price tag. So where is the price tag? So I have to check which brand is this, but I have to say it is a very stunning frock. It's a very stunning dress, and for me it's like a little bit longer than that dress. So I will show you in the clip. It is below my knee, so it was looking nice. I love it, and again I will wear it like this only. I like it, and this has a beautiful belt. And wow, this was 400 something with belt also. So I was like, wow. Wow. So yeah, this dress has a thread. It just has a thread, and it is 780. And this dress has a belt, so I like this more. And I don't know, something about this I like more. What is about this? Maybe the fabric. Fabric I have to check. I'm not good at describing fabric, but it is a good fabric. It's very smooth, and yeah, everything will be mentioned here. And of course, check the description before buying it. And it is, I think, cotton mixed some synthetic. It's not proper cotton. This one was proper cotton. It's something mixed with cotton, I think. So yeah, it's very pretty. Maybe my favorite from this haul is this dress. So I love it. So yeah, this is the last one. Look at it. It has this beautiful belt. This comes with a belt, and it's so cute. The belt is cute. I'm going to show you the length. So this is the length. It is a little, maybe some inches long than my knee. So yeah, it is looking like a dress. It is giving me dress feel, but it is not supremely long. So yeah, this is the length. It's not very long, but it is not a short dress. So all. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. So I know I'm not that good at describing fabrics and all. I'm going to just tell you how I like. What I like about them is that these are smart dresses, I would say. Especially the Shrug and that last dress. I think I was looking like a smart lady or something. I really like them. So I hope you like this haul. I hope you like this video. So if you do, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.